Good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. How's everything? Last class, we studied how to do the word problems related to multiplication. Related to this, I gave you one homework. Now we can check the answers. All of you open your notebook and get ready for that. Children, this is the homework. Question 6. There are 254 boxes of pen, each containing 36 pens. How many pens are there in all? Then what is the statement? Yes, total number of boxes or number of boxes of pens. Any statement you can write. Both are correct. Yes. Number of boxes. Yes. How many boxes? 254. In exam, if you write only answer, you will get only 1/4 of the mark. According to the statements only, you will get full mark. So, please careful about when you are writing statements. Okay. Here number is given now. So, we wrote here number of boxes. Then, next one, each one containing 36 pens means number of pens are there in a box, one box. Then we can write number of pens are there in a box, Here how many boxes? 254. How many pens? 36. One box containing 36 pens. So we have to find out what? Total number of pens in 254 boxes. 216 times we have to add 36. But using what? Repeated addition is multiplication. So we can do what? 254 into 36. Then what is the statement? Total number of pens. Yes. Total number of pens are there in 36 boxes. No need of writing that much lengthier statement. Total number of pens. How we will get total number? 254 into 36. Now we can multiply. When we are multiplying by ones place number, what we have to do? Here we have to write 0. No. 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. Carrying 2. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus this 2, 32. That carrying 3 above 100 place we can write. 6 2s are what? 12. 12 plus this 3, 15. Now we have to multiply by tens place number. Before multiplying by tens place number, what we have to do first? First we have to put 1. Yes, 0. Then we can multiply. 3 into 4. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Carrying 1 above tens place we can write. Then 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 plus this one, 16. Carrying 1 above 100 place we can write. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 plus this one, 7. Now we have to add these. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 6, 11. Carrying 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Then what is the total number of pens are there in 36 boxes? Yes, 9,144. Here you can write what? Answer. Okay, children. Children, today we are going to study how to estimating products. For this, first we can round off the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. After that, we can multiply as usual. Now we can do some problems from your textbook. Then you will understand. Children, the question is this. Please copy down. Take next page and copy down. Estimate the products by rounding off to the nearest hundred. Exercise 3G. These questions are from your textbook. Products means when we are multiplying two numbers, the answer is called what? Products. But here we have to find what? Estimated products rounded off to the nearest hundred. Please copy down the question. Question A, 689 into 420. So, here we can write yes, rounded off to the nearest what? Nearest hundred. Rounded off to the nearest hundred. Then some rules we studied. If we have to round it off to nearest hundred, we have to check which place number. We have to check tens place number. If the tens place number is 5 or more than 5, what? We can add one more 100 to this 100. Here already 600. Here tens place number is more than 5. So we can add one more 100 to this 100. Then this become 700. Now we can write 700 into, here look, tens place number is less than 5. So same 100 we can write, 400. Children, do you remember one easy method you studied? Here hundreds, we are multiplying hundreds. Then what we have to do? One easy method you studied. We can multiply the numbers and right side we have to write the zeros, add the zeros. Then here which are the numbers? 7 and 4. Now we can multiply 7 and 4. What is 7 and 4? 7 4s are 28. Now we can add the zeros. How many zeros here? Here 2 zeros, here also 2 zeros. Then 4 zeros. Then what is the answer? 2,80,000. This is the what? Product. Rounded product. You can write hence the product. Hence the product is equal to 2,80,000. Children, question B. Please look. 2,259 into 75. First we can write rounded off to the nearest 100. Right. Rounded off to the nearest 100. Look here, nearest 100. Here tens place number is 5. So we can add one more 100. Then this become 2,200 change to 300 into, here look, here tens place number is what? More than 5. So here is no, actually here is no 100. So we can add 1. Here is no 100. Then this become what? 100 because tens place number is more than 5. So this become what? 100. How we will get the answer? 1 into 23. 23. We can add 4 zeros. Then this is what? Estimated. Hence the estimated product. Estimated product is equal to what? 2,30,000. Hence the estimated product is equal to 2,30,000. Children, next is word problem. Please write question number 2. Please copy down. Take a new page and copy down. A nursery has 4,556 plants. Nursery plants, no? Yes. Round off the number of plants to the nearest 100. This number of plants we have to round off to what? Nearest 100. Number of the plants to the nearest 100 and find the number of plants in 44 such nurseries. 44 such nurseries. Then which one we have to round off? A nursery has 4,556 plants, no? That round off the number of the plants. That number of plants we have to round it off to the nearest 100. And find the number of plants in 44 such nurseries. Then we can write what? Number of plants. Number of plants. Not write like that way. Number of plants rounded off to nearest 100. Do you understand? Number of plants rounded off to nearest 100. Right. Number of plants rounded off to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. Yes. Here number is what? 4,556. We have to write the number rounded off to nearest 100. Here look. 10th place number is 5. So we can add one more 100. This 500 becomes what? 600. Then what is the number? 4,600 is the rounded off the number of plants in a nursery. That also you can write 100 in a nursery. HUN 100 in a nursery. That is better. In a nursery. Then number of plants rounded off to the nearest 100 in a nursery. That is 4,600. Now we have to find total number of plants. Total number of plants in 44 nurseries. Now we can write. Total number of plants in 44 such nurseries. Total number of plants in 44 such nurseries. Now we have to multiply 4,600 into what? 44. Using easy method, here we can multiply. No need of multiplying 4,600 into 44. What is the easy method? We can only multiply the numbers and after right side we can add these two zeros. Yes. 4 into 6 what? 24. 4 into 6, 24. Carrying 2. 4 into 6, 24. Carrying 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. Again 4 into 6. Here we can put 1 0. 4 into 6 what? 24. Carrying 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. Yes. Here 4. Here 8 plus 4, 12. Carrying 1. 1 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. Carrying 1, 2. Now This is the answer? No, this is not the answer. We have to add 2 more zeros. Here is 2 zeros now. Yes. Then what is the total number of plants? 2,02,400. Children, next is question 4. A book has 2053 pages. Estimate the number of pages in 689 copies of this book by rounding off to the nearest 10, nearest 100. Also find the actual product and state which estimate is closer. So please copy down, take a new page and copy down the question. Question 4. A book has 253 pages. Estimate the number of pages in 689 copies of this book. What is the number of pages of a book? 253 pages. How many books are there? 689 copies means 689 books are there. We have to round it off both these numbers nearest what? 10. By rounding off to the number of pages in 600 and total number of pages we have to find out. Number of pages in a book is 253. Number of books 689. Total number of pages we have to find out. What? Nearest 10 and nearest 100. Also we have to find the actual number of pages also. Total number of pages. Now please write. Number of pages. Number of pages of a book. Of a book. Here we can draw one line. Number of pages of a book, that is 253. How many copies? Number of copies. Number of copies means number of books. What is the number of books? That is, here leave space and write. Otherwise we can't multiply. 253. Number of books. What is the number of books? 689. Now we can find what? Total number of pages. Actual total number of pages. Total number of pages. Now we can multiply. Do you understand? Without estimating, we are finding the product. Actual, first we have to find the actual product. Because what? In the question they are asking also find the actual product and state which estimate is closer. So first we can find the actual product. Actual product. Well, that is what here we have to find total number of pages. Look. First we can multiply by total number of pages. By 9. 3 9s are 27. Above we can write 2. 5 9s are 45 plus 2, 47. Above we can write 4. Then 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Now we can multiply by tens place number. Before that we have to put here 1 0. 3 into 8, 24. Here we can write 4. Above tens place we can write 2. 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus this 2. 42. Above 100 place we can write 4. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 4. 20. Before multiplying by 100 place number, we have to put 1 0 ones place and tens place. Now we can multiply. 3 into 6, 18. Above tens place we can write 1. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Above 100 place 3. Then 6 into 2 what? 6 2s are 12. 12 plus this 3, 15. Now we can add these. 7, 7 plus 4, 11. Carrying 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Again 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Here 7. What is the total number of pages? 1,74,317. Children, next is actual product we find out. Rounded off to the nearest 10. Rounded off to the nearest 10. Total number of pages. Here look, the number of pages in a book 253. Number of books what? 689. Now we have to find the total number of pages rounded off to nearest 10. Rounded off to nearest 10. Then how can we write 250? Then 53. Rounded off to nearest 10 means we have to check ones place number. If ones place number is 5 or more than 5, we can add one more 10 to this number. Here less than 5. So same what? Same tens. Then 250. 250 into what? Next is look. Here one's place number is more than 5. So we can add what? One more 10. Then 8 tens becomes 9 tens. Then 690. Now we can multiply. Look. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Before multiplying by tens place number, what we have to do? We have to put 1 0. 9 into 0, 0. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Here we can write 4. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, 22. Now before multiplying by this number, we can put what? How many zeros? 2 zeros. Then 6 into 0, 0. 6 5s are 30. Carrying 3 here we can write. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. We can add these. 0, 0, 5. Here 2. Here 7, 1. What is the total number of pages? 1,72,500. You don't want to write this number. I erased the question now. That's why I am writing the number here. Now this is the estimated number of pages. Here you can write estimated number of pages nearest to 10. Yes. Now we can find what? 253, 689. I hope you all understood up to this. First we find actual product. Now we have to find, here we found what? Here we found estimated number of pages nearest to 10. Estimated number of pages, total number of pages nearest to 10. Next we have to find, question B is what? Estimated number of pages nearest to 100. Now we can write rounded off to the nearest 100. 100. Rounded off to the nearest 100. Which are the numbers? 2253. When we rounded off to nearest 100 means we have to check tens place number. Tens place number is 5, so we can add one more. What? 100. Then this become 300 into the number is what? 689 books. Here we have to round it off to nearest 100 means here tens place number is more than 5, no? So we can add one more 100. 700. Now I am erasing this. 700. Now we can multiply. That easy method we can use. We can multiply only numbers. Then 3 into 7, 21. We have to add how many zeros? 4 zeros. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? 2,10,000. 2,10,000. This is what? Yeah, this actual product I am writing here. 1,000 and 1,74,370. This is what? This is estimated number of pages nearest to 100. We can write estimated number of pages nearest to 100. This is what? Actual number, not estimated. Actual number of pages. That first we found the answer. Actual number of pages. Do you understand? 1,74,317. These are the answers. First we found actual number of pages. Then rounded off to the estimated number of pages nearest to 10. That is what? 1,72,500. Then we found estimated number of pages nearest to 100. That is what? 2,10,000. 2,10,000. Then look, what is close to this actual number of pages? Rounded off to nearest 10 or rounded off to nearest 100. Which is close to this? Actual number of pages is what? 1,74,317. This is 1,72,500. This is 2 lakhs. Then which is close to this one? Yes. Estimated number of pages nearest 10 is close to actual number of pages. Do you understand, children? First we found actual number of pages. Then we found estimated number of pages nearest to 10. Then estimated number of pages nearest to 100. Then estimated number of pages nearest to 10 is close to actual number of pages. No need of writing this. For comparing, I wrote this. Because you wrote this first. Do you understand? Okay, children. Children, it's time for homework. Please copy down this question in your notebook. Question 3. A train can carry 2,856 passengers in 1 day of journey. Estimate the number of passengers it carries in 70 days of journey by rounding off to the nearest 10. Then which one you have to round it off to nearest 10? Yes, this number of passengers that you can round it off to 10 and multiply by which one? This 70. Then you will get the answer. Please do it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.